We've just launched a brand new partnership with London Oxford Airport powered by Unifi, providing ramp handling, fueling and security services. Come with me and I'll tell you all about it. One of the reasons Oxford Airport have partnered with us is we can guarantee to meet their staffing requirements. Unifi can guarantee this because they have, again, the deep-rooted knowledge of employment, flexibility in a space that is forever changing. Bringing the right people in at the right time has always been the challenge. We're providing ramp and ground handling, refueling services, manpower provision for any kind of events and operating requirements. We're providing airport security, we're providing screening flight security, so the NASP flights for passenger screening. We're running the airport facilities to provide the tenants support with their inbound goods and mail, etc. And as well as that, we're providing the airport's ID centre, so the understanding and managing of all of that sort of security element that goes with that too. Bringing Unifi into operations around that really is about the flexibility that we can create. You know, one day you've got 5 flights, the weekend you've got 5 football flights, and your sudden passenger demand goes from 10 one day to 200, 300 the next. And I think us being able to provide that flexibility and using our network to move people around to support that, it really gives you the key differentiator, which is you don't need the onboard and full-time cost of an employee, and you can use the flexible on-demand model to support it, which we have the ability to serve. We have a total of 35 employees here at Oxford, with some greater flexibility of using our network of over 1,000 employees across 20 UK and Irish airports. So something that's really quite special and new to market, and one we see being one that people are going to take the flexibility from as time goes on. If you want to know more about it, we'd love to hear from you.